Hi there, this is Amy from SKILLTECS.com. In this video, we will learn how to think and make decisions, either in our personal lives, work, or solve problems. According to PBS North Carolina, it's estimated that the average adult makes about 35,000 remotely conscious decisions each day. Each decision, of course, carries certain consequences with it that are both good and bad. Therefore, it is important to train your mind to think holistically. This can be done through 5 main steps. Step 1. Determine the situation. In other words, define the matter you are dealing with. At the beginning, we may get lost and do not know where to start. Therefore, you need to observe what is going on and focus on what really matters, rather than getting distracted by other less important things. Step 2. Gather information. If you want to buy something, conduct a meeting, or even shift your career, you need to gather as much information as you can. You may start by asking questions like, what? Where? When? Who? Why? And how? Answering such questions will help to gather information more than you can imagine. Step 3. Develop alternatives. Through the information you gathered in the previous step, you can develop alternatives to compare and choose one of them. You may develop an alternative through thinking of what can be done, what is needed to get it done, and how long does it need to be done. Step 4. Compare alternatives. You can compare the alternatives you have developed on the basis of cost, time, capability, and availability of resources. Step 5. Make a decision. This is the final step in the thinking process, making a decision after selecting the optimum alternative among the rest you have developed and compared. This would probably be the best decision in the light of the information you have gathered in Step 2 and the comparison you have made in Step 4. So congratulations, now you can make a decision in a systematic way. However, it is important to follow up and get feedback to make sure that you are on the right path. Thanks for watching. If you liked our topic, kindly subscribe to our channel and visit SKILLTECS.com to have access to hundreds of related articles.